people, welcome back to another season of College Eats and another semester at Syracuse. My name is Jill.
I'm Kelia.
And today we're going to be showing you 3 different recipes that you can cook this Sunday for the Super Bowl.
So first we're going to be making some salsa verde black bean nachos. Then we're going to move on to a cookie skillet, and a skillet cookie, and some Hail Mary hot wing popcorn.
Stay tuned and stay hungry.
Okay guys, we have our oven preheated to 425. We're going to start out with these nachos with the first layer going down. Jill, you want to help me spread?
Yeah, we're going to spread out these chips. Got a nice little blanket of chips that we're going to layer on. So you got to make sure you're like rationing with your thing. So first we're going to do a layer of beans and cheese and salsa.
So everything gets coated. Nice.
Yeah, we got to coat it, but not too much because you got to have some on the top. It's the best part.
Exactly. So after we do this layer, we're going to do another layer of chips. And then once everything is put on, we're going to put it in the oven for like 5 to 10 minutes.
Until get the cheese melty.
Yeah, nice melty.
Why would you want not melty cheese?
Exactly.
Nobody wants that. And we're just putting our salsa on it too. Just spice it up a little bit or a little bit. She is thick.
Start with the next layer.
Okay.
And this usually takes like about a full bag of chips, but like there's some left over for extra snacking.
Yeah, for extra snacking. Extra snacking.
Works.
It's literally raining chips and cheese right now. A dream. Everyone at your Super Bowl party
is gonna flip.
Yeah, they're gonna flip.
And this is good. We're 2 vegetarians, so this is good.
Heck yeah! Or you can add meat if that's your thing, but that's not our thing.
This is very customizable, so do whatever you want.
Live it up. Oh, come on. You skimped us on the beans. You gotta get in there. Do not. I know.
Yeah, you're right.
They roll like that football roll, you know.
Yeah, it makes exactly what you're talking about. Okay, that's good. And then once these go into the oven for like 5 to 10 minutes when they get melty, like Jill said, we're gonna put these jalapeno peppers on. Slice them really thin if you want your spice like distributed, but we like it a little thicker, so that's what we're gonna do.
We like it thick, like our nacho platter.
Alright guys, welcome back. The nachos are finished, so I'm gonna take them out.
You can smell it.
Oh my god, they look so good.
Yeah, they're like crackling. Like,
Jill, you want to put the jalapenos on?
Oh yeah, I do. So we're just gonna sprinkle them a little bit.
A little extra spice.
They're like aesthetically pleasing too.
It looks really good.
Kind of wherever you want it.
So these are super hot right now, but I'm gonna try them anyways because they look
That's probably
really
a
good.
bad idea, but honestly,
they look amazing.
My tongue says no, my stomach says yes. So let's see. But she's a little like,
wow. Got a lot of bean.
Good night and go. Oh.
Oh my god. They're really good. They're even worth eating it now after my tongue is burnt. Super good, guys. Recommend.
Hey, you guys really need to do this. Like, I don't know why else we would film this, but
you don't even need it for Super Bowl Sunday. Like this is every time after school.
After school,
voila.
Come home from the bus, make a snack before you do your homework.
Exactly.
No.
Perfect. Ding. All right, guys, we're back, ready to make the Hail Mary hot wing popcorn. We're gonna start with 2 tablespoons of any neutral oil you have, grapeseed, canola oil, vegetable, whatever. Right in the bottom of the pan. This is gonna be for our popcorn.
We're making it from scratch, not in the microwave.
Way better. And then we're gonna bring this. Gonna heat it up a little bit on the stove. Kind of like medium high. Anything to kind of get the oil ready. And then we have 3 tablespoons of popcorn kernels that we're gonna add right after it gets heated up. Okay guys, we're ready to start. I have my 3 tablespoons of unpopped popcorn kernels over here. Just to see how hot the pan is, we're gonna add 1 or 2 right away. And if they start, like, if the oil around it starts sizzling, and if it starts popping, then you know you're ready to add the rest. Right now it's a little quiet, but I'm just gonna wait a couple more seconds. You can kind of see the oil like getting ripply, that means it's hot, but it's not hot enough for the popcorn yet.
Alright, so we're getting started on the caramel sauce for the popcorn. So Keila over here has a 1/4 cup of water and she's mixing in 3/4 of a cup of sugar and just letting that come to a boil. Once it does that, she's gonna mix it with a fork and lift it up every 30 seconds from the heat until it turns an amber-ish color, which will take about 10 minutes. So be patient and do not scrape the sides. Ruins everything. So now that this is turned amber, it's about to be rapid fire. We're adding 3 tablespoons of butter. We're just gonna make it sizzle. And then a 1/4 cup of hot sauce, and then we're gonna bring it back to the stove and continue to cook it.
It sounds crazy, but don't worry.
It is crazy. No, it sounds crazy and it is crazy. I'm gonna bring it back over to boil, and then after that, we're gonna add in this baking soda, cayenne pepper, and salt.
So we're gonna wait for the butter to melt. It's gonna melt really quick because everything's super hot, and we're getting to that point.
Yeah, we're in the end zone here.
Yeah,
football
really.
pun, but we are there. Here we go. So we're getting this in here. Boop, 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 all in.
And it makes a really crazy color.
Yeah.
Everything's foaming up right now.
It looks like hot wings, like
Yeah.
truly.
It looks crazy.
Neither of us eat wings, but it looks like, whoo, can you guys smell this through the camera?
It smells super spicy. Okay, I'm just gonna check.
Oh my god, I got like a whip up my face.
I know, right?
So now it's time to shine. We're going to start adding a little bit of popcorn, a little bit of sauce, back and forth until it's all incorporated. Because if we just dumped them all both at the same time, it would be
A
intense.
mess. Okay, do a little bit of that. Looks super.
Too many cooks in the kitchen, let me
yeah.
say.
Okay,
All right.
go ahead.
You guys can't see, but it's like,
It's like a mix of like caramel corn with
Yeah.
like spicy wing business. It's kind of crazy.
business.
Yeah, really. Looks crazy, guys.
Yeah, you might burn your tongue, but do not burn your hand. That would be terrible.
Want to do more popcorn?
Yeah, we do a little more popcorn. Get her in there.
It's good to do this with a friend because it's a lot easier
Yeah.
than doing this by yourself.
Yeah.
That's what I recommend. Want to do the last bit of popcorn? Perfect.
She's in.
There we go. And voila. Looks really good.
All right, our popcorn is done and it has been crisped in the oven, so we're ready to try it.
It looks so good. It
Ooh,
smells
cheers,
amazing.
lady.
Ooh, ding. Crispy, sweet, ooh, spicy.
It tastes like caramel corn, but like with a
With
little
a
kick.
kick.
Oh
It's
my
so
goodness!
good. Oh my god, guys, this is addictive.
It's like
Everyone
those,
will
yeah.
love that. I've never had anything like this.
Neither have I. It's like those Christmas buckets you get with the caramel corn, but like for the Super Bowl.
But better and fresh and hot.
Mm-hmm. Fresh and hot, just like your
Oh my God.
hosts.
It's so good, guys. This is amazing.
Okay, so next we are moving on to our skillet cookie. So Kelia here is just matching. We actually took pre-made chocolate chip cookie dough, but you can make your own if you're feeling fancy, or if you're feeling like a college kid like us, you can just buy it. We have our oven preheated to 375, and then once we spread it around our skillet, we're gonna pop it in there for 25 minutes, let it cool, and then top it with whipped cream, chocolate syrup, and Oreos, but you can do whatever your heart desires, whatever you want on your skillet cookie. So once whoever you want to win, hopefully when they win, you can have like a sweet little ending to it with your skillet cookie. It's gonna be great.
Okay, guys, we're going to be putting a bunch of whipped cream, the topping, anything you guys want on
The
top.
best part of this shoot, the
Exactly.
decorating, the dessert.
The dessert,
Beautiful,
exactly.
beautiful.
You can put sprinkles, you have cherries, you have whatever. Do
Yo, let's spread her more. Hold on.
you want a little bit more?
Gotta do it for the aesthetic. Come on.
Wow.
Oh yeah, she is swirly.
Professional.
Exactly. A professional dessert eater would know what to
Yeah,
do.
exactly. Right.
So we're gonna do a little drizz,
Chocolate sauce.
Yeah.
You have caramel.
Whatever you're into.
Strawberry,
We're
whatever.
loving chocolate today.
Exactly.
So,
A little bit of Oreo. Want to help me?
I'm sorry. I just like my jaw.
A little
hit the floor.
shocked.
I was shocked. I haven't
Exactly.
seen cookie crumbled like this since I used to eat an Ernie Davis.
Oh my god. So it looks super good.
Oh yeah.
Cookie on top.
Oh,
So
Guys.
cute. Delicious.
all right, guys. I hope you are hungry and ready to eat. We are super excited for the Super Bowl, and we hope you try out some of our foods.
Let us know who you're rooting for down below. Let us know if you try anything out. Definitely try something out. That's my recommendation.
Yeah, and tag us at SU College Eats. We want to see what you are cooking.
All right, stay hungry, people.
See you next week. Bye.